All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance, what's going on with their price. Is the price a good time to get in? We're going to go to their Twitter account, go to their website, do a little checking out of the VVS Finance. Also, we're going to talk about the USDC crop farmers that just went live today. A couple hours ago. Go check it out. I'll put my link in the bottom. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, VVS Finance is ranked 233. I kind of like this because it used to be ranked in the 4s and used to be ranked in the 5s. It's actually moved up a lot. It's down about 4% in the last 7 days, down about almost 3% today. Clicking it over here to the right, we got 4 zeros and a 2214. We'll come back for a price prediction. Down about 2.5% today. Price is going down a little bit and going down a little bit and going down a little bit in the last 24 hours. Last 7 days, it's kind of the same. Over here at their Twitter account is your gateway to decentralized finance movement. So we are less than a week away from our Argo protocol, IGO. Yep, we got a week going. This is going to be pretty good. The IGO page is now up on the site with the sales happening on April 28th. In about 6-7 days from now. Check it out. So look at this. Here's what they're showing you. Argo is on their website, which is fantastic. Initial gem offering. You can connect your wallet and go ahead start earning Argo today. So that's real good. That's coming in less than a week. Also, the Sky Glitter Mines and Multi-Reward Farms is now live. This is big. Literally just this went 3 hours ago. Stake the XVVS to earn Sky on Glitter Mines. Yep, you stake your Crow/Sky LP on Crystal Farms to earn both. This is what I kind of like. You can earn 2 tokens at the same time. You can earn Sky and VVS at the same time. And again, take a look right here what it says. Starting on April 22nd. Oh, that's today. Look at that. Stake your XVVS and earn Sky right here. And then the Crow/Sky all starting today. Bringing it to you when it's happening. All right, over here at the website, VVS Finance starts for very, very simple. Very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Do you see the little miner pop up right there? It says your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finances and earn sparkly VVS rewards today. Learn about the VVS Finance. So a lot of good things we have here. It says we aim to make DeFi simple within reach of billions, low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. Shiny yield farming opportunities. And here we go. The word everybody likes, passive income. Streams of passive income to multiply your assets. The rarest and brightest yield farm in VVS Farms. It says clear incentives for all, hardened security and governance. Choose your path. You got a couple things you can do. You can do all 3 of them. You don't have to pick one. All the way over to the right, because I love being a miner. Be a VVS miner. Your passive income. Crystallize your VVS tokens. Staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS tokens. Stake and forget. It's that simple. So being a miner here is not a bad thing. Right in the middle, be a liquidity provider, low minimum. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity providing LP tokens. Collect transactions, farms, and farm shiny VVS rewards right here in the middle. Now you can do both of them. You don't have to pick one. And over here it says be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly, instant swaps, tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes out for new pairs. The new pairs, I just showed you the new pairs and new tokens listing. Again, keep your eyes open. And right here, Crow and Sky. Take a look again. Sky Glitter Mines and Multiple Rewards Farms is now live. Stake XVVS to earn Sky on Glitter Mines. But here's a good one. Stake Crow and Sky LP on Crystal Farms and earn both Sky and VVS rewards. That's what it's saying right here, everybody. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. VVS Finance talks about the passive income. We like the passive income. I think everybody does. Gas prices are so high. Food prices are high. Things are just going crazy with finances. Interest rates in the United States are over 5%. That's the first time in a long time that interest rates. So you got everything going up. So everybody's looking for that edge to basically try to get ahead a little bit. VVS Finance could be that edge for you. Remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. All right, USDC crop farmers launching today. Let's go over and check it out. All right, over here at the BUSD crop farmers, take a look at this crazy stuff, everybody. There's $851,000 locked in the BUSD locked. All right, well, all this stuff right here is going live here today. So take a look, the USDC crop farmers. I mean, it's going to be fantastic. There's an 8% daily, 29.20 APR, an 8% referral bonus, a 2.5% hiring bonus, 12-hour compound timers, 4 hours withdrawal cooldown period, 48 reward accumulation cutoff. Once your cart is full, you can't put any more rewards in your cart until you actually have a little interaction with the actual platform. And look at this, it starts in 30 minutes. All right, go, 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 which is fantastic. Going back over to the BUSD farmers. All right, so the USDC crop farmers is going live real quick. There's all kinds of good things going on. You're going to have your initial deposit. You're going to have your total deposit, your sold crops, your referral fees, all kinds of good stuff here. It's going to be nice because every 12 hours you're going to be able to compound. So you can compound 2 times a day. After 5 times of compounding, you get a hiring bonus of 2.5% every time you actually hire more farmers. So the first time it's 2.5%, then it's 5%, then it goes to 7.5%, and it goes on and on and on, which is really, really good. Couple things down here. What makes this platform different? The USD Farmers has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measurements in place for the longevity of the project. This is one of the coolest projects on the internet today. Crop Farmers already has over $800 and some thousand in the contract, which is fantastic. So you're definitely going to want to check that out today. It says right here there's over $850,000 in the BUSD, and it's only been launched for a few days. It's got the same thing, the 8% daily, 8% referral, 5% development marketing fee, 2.5% daily hiring bonus, 12% compound timer, and 4-hour withdrawal cooldown period, 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff, and a 5-time mandatory compound. All right, so definitely check that out. BUSD has been out for a few days. I mean, 4 or 5 days now, and it's been doing fantastic. USDC is launching today. Check it out. Even if you got in a week or two from now, I mean, the way the structure is with the different anti-whales and locking, if you take your money out too fast, you're going to get a 60% tax. So all kinds of good stuff. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's head back over to VVS Finance for a price prediction. All right, it says VVS tokens is at the core of VVS Finance. It says value, stake for rewards. The bread and butter of our miners, stake VVS to earn VVS. Utility, stash to join is coming soon. The governance, hold to vote coming soon. X VVS equals Y votes. Your voice in the future of VVS. It's got the white pages here. You can check it out. It says the community, we are a simple group of DeFi enthusiasts who desire to build a platform of peers we use and love. So join the chat, and you can bet we'll keep your ears wide open. So all kinds of good things with VVS Finance. Again, showing you this. Take a look at this little miner right here. When you're on their website, they have a little miner that kind of pops up from time to time. The key thing I like about VVS Finance, here it is again, is they talk about passive income. You can actually earn that passive income today. All right, back over here at coin market cap. The coin is down right this second, 0.00002217. I think you should actually keep your eyes on this cryptocurrency. I think it's going to go down slightly more in the next few days. I'm not quite sure, but definitely put this on your radar. All my information is for educational purposes only. The big thing today is you got a launch on another cryptocurrency project, so keep an eye on that. All right, so VVS Finance talks a lot about the passive income, which is fantastic. Talks about looking for new pairs that are coming out, because when you do invest in the new pairs, you're going to get rewarded in both those tokens, which is kind of fantastic. You get this and that. So I remember I was reading something a few months ago. It says, what is better than getting rewarded with 1 token? That's right, getting rewarded with 2. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button. The launch is coming off today. Check that out. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Watch the video over here at USDC. I did a video yesterday kind of talking about the launch. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.